Welcome back to RamZland. Today we want to test the focal point of parabolic mirrors. Check this out. Here are the two parabolic mirrors that I'm going to use. A focal point is when light hits a mirror and is reflected toward the center in the same spot from all directions. So we'd say right here is hopefully the focal point of this parabolic mirror, and that's where you want to provide your fuel source. This one's kind of interesting because you can fold it up and just put it in your pocket like that. But let's test to see if that focal point right here in the center gets hot enough to light this paper on fire.
So fold action.
So I'm here with Alex and he's going to test the parabola. Remember, parabola is just a curved plane, and he's going to put a slip of paper in the middle where the focal point is.
Just like that.
And then he's going to point it at the sun. And let's see what happens to that paper. Oh, I can see smoke coming off of it already. Wow, that's just like instant. Very quick. Here's another version. And we'll point this parabola at the sun and see how long it takes for that focal point to ignite the paper. There it is. I can see smoke coming off of it. Oh, that was quick. Very quick. Yep. It doesn't take long at all. There it goes. Look at all that smoke. Very hot. It's just amazing that you can use a small parabolic mirror like this to start a campfire. Something to keep in mind if you run out of matches. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.